Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I would be sharing with you a very quick and easy beginner friendly maroon gold eye makeup look. If you want to try this eye look, then please keep on watching this tutorial. The links to the products that I would be using are mentioned in the description box below. As my makeup palette, I'm using Faces Canada palette and picking this brown eyeshadow. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my outer V using a pencil brush. Take it towards the crease along with outer V. Hold the brush very lightly when you're packing your eyeshadow on crease. Move brush in circular motion for smokiness. After this, I'm using this matte maroon eyeshadow to intensify my outer V. Tap and begin blending it with the outer V. Move the brush in circular motion for maroon to blend with brown eyeshadow. Take it towards the crease along with outer V. After this, I'm using a maroon shimmer eyeshadow. This is maroon shimmer. There is matte and maroon shimmer eyeshadow. Both the eyeshadows in the palette. Do not cross your crease line. Keep it within the crease. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with outer V. Next, I'm picking this golden and covering the remaining space here. Blend both the eyeshadows well. Pull golden towards the maroon. After this, I'm creating winged eyeliner. Next, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Eye looks very beautiful after you create pointed inner corner. Next, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. Begin smudging your lower lash line using maroon eyeshadow, matte maroon eyeshadow. Kajal should seem smudged and traces of maroon eyeshadow be visible. Next, I'm applying mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes while coating mascara. Lastly, to highlight my brow bone, I'm using foil from Swiss Beauty. Link to this foil is in the description box below. This is very beautiful foil in silver tone. To highlight my brow bone, this is very pigmented. Take very less in the brush and begin dispersing. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.